The LDR are resistors that vary their value depending on the light falling on them, and photodiodes are light-sensitive semiconductors. The most notable difference is that photodiodes have a faster response to changes in light. We tested the LDR, and when there's light, the resistance drops, and when it's dark, the resistance increases. If we shine light on it with a flashlight, the resistance decreases. We tested the photodiode. When there's darkness, the resistance increases, and with light, it decreases. I designed this circuit so that the lamp lights up when the LDR doesn't detect light. I've used a 9.1 k-ohmega resistor so that if the 50 k-ohmega potentiometer shorts, it doesn't damage the transistor. The transistor will be PNP, so we can choose any of the ones I've used as examples. I chose the 2N2222 because the load I'm going to drive is 200 milliamps, because the 2N3904 would be too small. Now the same circuit, but with the photodiode.